good morning. That's a little loud for no reason. Good morning. Today is Friday, end of the week. This was a long one. I had to be up at 6 a.m. every single day. Usually it's just Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I can sleep in a bit on Tuesday. However, I just had stuff to do. This was an early week. We made it. We're done. I only have an 8 a.m. this morning. And then I do not feel like being at school today, so I'm gonna study at home. And I'm going to get my skis tuned. So I'm gonna go do that after my class, and then I have a couple other errands. Just believe I'm not staying at school today. Just driving to class right now, and then I will see you when I get to school. Oh my gosh, it is literally so cold out today. Like negative 12. I'm not used to quite yet, so I'm shivering. That was literally the worst class of my life. I got my period this morning. I always get really bad cramps just on the first day, and I was sitting in class and I couldn't even focus because my cramps hurt so bad. And the prof, he calls on people, and I was like, please do not call on me today, because I couldn't even pay attention to what he was talking about. That was my only class of the day, so now I get to leave school, which is amazing. I think I'm going to go to the ski tuning place, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store, and I think I have to go somewhere else, but we'll see. Also, at the end of my class, I was just chatting with this one guy, and then this other girl came over. We're just talking, 10 minutes, and it was just a very wholesome moment. Everyone hates to talk to each other, and everyone acts so cold all the time and just puts their head down. I'm guilty of it too. It's just nice to talk with them for a little bit about the class and everything. Human interaction's always good. Okay, I think I'm going to go to London Drugs because I want to see if I can find a tripod to hold my phone. The reels I make on Instagram and for vlogging too, it's kind of annoying to always have to set my phone up in random places. I'm gonna go to London Drugs and see if they have that. Oh, I almost just hit some dogs. That's always fun. Okay, you can barely even see me right now, but I feel like I need to explain what happened there. This lady opened up her, the back of her car, and her dogs just, ran out, right in front of my car. She was kind of laughing. She's like, oh my gosh, what just happened? That's why I was laughing too. But trust me, I was not smiling because I almost just hit dogs. What? And then after, I think I'm just gonna go to Save On. They said that they would have my skis ready by tomorrow afternoon. I'll check in on my way to work, I guess, because I work at 4, so that'll work out nicely. Literally, I don't know how much anything costs, so I'm oh, how much is a tune-up? And he was maximum $50. I'm oh, that's nice. I'm used to everything being so expensive for skiing. And I'm just so excited to go home. I am not in the mood to be in public today. I usually love errands, but just today was not the vibe for me. Yes, I got the yellow light. I hate turning when the light is green, but you don't have the advance. You just have to wait in the intersection, especially if it's more than 2 lanes. That's my pet peeve in life. I'm just gonna go home. I think I'm gonna make Thai curry soup for dinner, so I need some chicken. Who's honking? Are they honking at me? Okay, they're not honking at me. I also want to buy some coffee syrup, except they're literally massive, and I know that they're cheap and would last for a long time. I wish that they had a smaller size. That guy's hot too. Wow, there's some sexy people out doing errands today. Oh, that's my old supervisor. That's gross. I don't want to see you. Okay, let's go in. Okay, I literally was just sick last week, and I drank so much tea. I was sick of tea. I was I need coffee or matcha or hot chocolate, something that's not just hot water with herbs in it. And yet I went to the store and bought 3 more boxes of tea. I like peppermint tea. I don't get sick of peppermint tea. And it was on sale. It was 2 for $7. So I'm okay, well, I have to get another one. Okay, I'll try something new. So I got pomegranate raspberry. It says it has matcha in it, but I know it just means green tea. And then when I was walking away from the aisle, they had fall tea on clearance. So I got a cinnamon vanilla one. And I already have tea at home. I have so much tea at home as well. So I literally am stocked up for the winter and probably will buy more when I go shopping next. And then I did find a little phone tripod. I hope it includes the part. I'm gonna check right now. Oh my god, it doesn't include the part for the phone. I really don't want to go back in there. Okay, I'm gonna go back in because it's literally pointless if I don't buy it. Okay, I think that was the universe looking out for me, because then I saw Narissa, which was my favorite coworker when I worked there. I said hi to her. That was good, but I have the piece. Yay, that's kind of cute. It's gonna be so much better to film with. Okay, now I'm going to go to the grocery store. I literally don't mind 8 a.m. classes at all because it's 10:40. I've gone to class, got myself up and ready for the day, did errands, and it's only 10:40. Like, it's amazing. Everyone hates on them, but they're low-key banging. Okay, I was at Freshco and they had these 2 chickens at each $4 off. I got 2 of these for $16. I'm just gonna freeze them. And then I got limes for the soup I'm gonna make. And then they also had peppermint bark and I bought it even though I shouldn't have. It was kind of expensive too, but it just looked so good and festive. The breakfast sandwich. To do my advent calendars. Beauties. I think I'm just gonna sit and drink some tea and edit yesterday's vlog. I don't know which tea I want. I'm not gonna drink mint because I know what that tastes like. I have cinnamon vanilla or pomegranate raspberry. I think I'm gonna go with the cinnamon vanilla. Maybe I'll try the pomegranate one later. I have literally been sitting here for like 4 hours, which is exactly what I didn't want to happen with Vlogmas. It's fine because today's my Friday. I was also like, I changed my like channel banner and like I was figuring out how to edit on my computer, and I feel like today was the like longest day. I'm hoping that this isn't a trend for the whole month. If that is, then it'll be every other day. Can't spend that much time doing this. I had a blast, honestly, making like little intros and stuff. That was really fun. That's all that matters. I think I'm just gonna tidy up and then make the soup. And that's another thing. Literally only like 5:30 right now, but because it's dark out, it feels like it's 8 o'clock. I hate winter for that reason. It is literally like 40 degrees in my house for no reason. I mean, Halloween jubes. I just have them laying around. I'm gonna be making Thai red curry noodle soup. It's supposed to look like this. We need 1.5 pounds of chicken. I don't know how much that is. We're gonna need the big boy. These were seriously like the most monster red peppers I've ever seen. Okay, I've put on my glasses to cut these onions. My eyes are like so sensitive to onions, it's unreal. Everyone likes chunky onions in their soup anyway, right? I think I'm literally just gonna put these back in the bag. I'm the only one who eats the food I cook, so that's why I can do stuff like this. We got a good one. It's running. Onion hill is done. We're good. I've cut up bell pepper and garlic. We'll add that all together. I'm only gonna use like 2 of these. I definitely don't need 5 chicken breasts. Far too much. Put the leftover chicken in the freezer. Stuff is cooking. Alrighty, all that good stuff is in there now. I'm gonna get the coconut milk and the chicken broth ready. It's definitely looking a little bit chunky before the coconut milk has melted, but it looks good so far. Okay, this is everyone's reminder to take your vitamin D in the winter, and it's really good for you in seasonal depression. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Now I'm just gonna eat my soup and watch Wednesday, which is actually a really good show. If you haven't seen it. I low-key like made a bomb in my house. I definitely want to clean that up before I go to bed. It's always nice to wake up to a clean house. Just finished cleaning everything up, literally brushed my teeth and then got directly into bed. I'm so tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night.